Hello students, today we are going to discuss a simple problem and solve a problem on depreciation. First we'll be solving problems related to depreciation. Now look at this question, illustration number 4. They have given Mr. Vijay purchased a motor car on 31 December 2018 for rupees 5,20,000, and again they have given other expenses in relation to acquisition are 70,000. That means the cost or price of this vehicle is 5,20,000. But again he has incurred certain additional expenditure with regard to purchase of this car, which is coming to around 70,000. Now again they are given calculate the amount of depreciation for the assessment year 2019-20, and the rate of depreciation they have only directly given, which is 15%. So how to solve this problem? Here there is no opening return down value of this particular asset. So when the opening return down value of the asset is not given, then how we have to compute depreciation, we will understand in a while. Now let us continue that problem. Now in that problem we have to compute a depreciation, and the rate of depreciation which they have mentioned is 15%. So what would be our heading? Our heading would be computation of depreciation and return down value. Now first we have to find out the depreciation as well as return down value of this particular car. So we have to make two columns. First column is for particulars, second column is for amount in rupees. So how we need to start in this problem? They have not given the opening return down value, but using the information whatever they have given, we will solve this problem. Now again in this problem they have given Mr. Vijay has purchased a motor car on 31st December 2018. That means it is during the previous year. Now first what they have given, purchase price of the car they have given as 5,20,000. So we have to start with cost of purchase price of car. So how much is the cost or purchase price of car? They have given it as rupees 5,20,000. Now to this again we have to add cost of acquisition or acquisition related expenses. So acquisition we will mention as acquisition expenses or expenses related to acquisition, both will be same. Now how much again is incurring? He is incurring additional cost of 70,000. Now when you add both 5,20,000 and 70,000, it is coming to around 5,90,000. So this 5,90,000 would be your final price of the car or cost of acquisition of car. So what do we call this 5,90,000? It will be cost of acquisition of car, 5,90,000. Now on this 5,90,000, which is the final purchase price of the car, we have to calculate the depreciation and deduct from this cost price or cost of acquisition. Now depreciation again they have given, they have only directly given the rate. Depreciation they have given the rate at 15%. So we have to calculate depreciation at 15%, and we have to calculate on this value of 5,90,000. So 5,90,000 into 15% will be the depreciation on the car. Then again we have to see the date of acquisition. See, date of acquisition becomes very important for computation of depreciation. See, for all the problems, date of acquisition and date of when the asset is put to use is very important. Now in this problem, since the date of acquisition they are given as 31/12/2018, it will be less than 180 days. That means they have purchased the asset in December, January, February, March. They have used for only 4 months. So it would be somewhere around 120 days. That means it will be lesser than 180 days. Now as we have already discussed in previous classes, if the asset is put to use for less than 180 days, that means only half the rate of depreciation will be charged. That means out of this 15% depreciation, only half of it will be allowed. Now 5,90,000 into 15% into half, how much do you get? You will end up getting 44,250. Now this is the amount of depreciation which has to be deducted from the above value of 5,90,000. So if you do that, how much do you get? 5,45,750. So this will be your return down value of car as on 31/3/2019. So this is what we have to find out. So this is how we have to solve this problem. Hope you have all understood.